Viewing sound.
Apparently, you can get anything you want to eat in there.
Get what I eat. Massage and shave.
No, but I would guarantee you there's at least 3 other places on the island where you can get some gelato.
He's just playing the wind up in the current.
So he was going to ask one of us to hop out on 311.
Ooh, that was close. At least having that helmet on, I just jumped right up.